There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see. You're close to me. That's all I need. If I could.
Doing today? I am alright. Hope you're doing fine. Welcome back to my channel. I know my voice has been, I don't know what's going on right here, but I had a flu. I'm just recovering, so I thought I should do frequent videos for you guys so that you must know that I am alive. Yeah, so I want to show you how I do my meal preps for a week. But today is a Tuesday, so I'm only doing for 3 days. So yeah, I've just knocked off from work, and then over the weekend I forgot to buy stuff because I was down with a flu. I'm just recovering. This is day one at work. It was like my Monday today. So I've just bought a few things that I will show you once I get home, and then we cook together and pack for the rest of this week. So I'm just driving home. I'm gonna see you when I'm at home.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see. You're close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I will stay here forever. If you were made to stay, let's make it forever.
So let me show you what I got today. Mushrooms. Green beans. These are my snacks that I actually snack on around maybe 16 or around 10. Yeah. Sorry. These are pumpkins. This is the yogurt I use for my smoothie. And then I got chicken breasts, butter, sour milk, another sour milk, and juice, and mushrooms, and baby cabbages, yay! And chicken. So this is all. There's my margin here. This is everything that I got. This is what we're gonna be using today. Not everything. I know I'm gonna make a smoothie maybe, but I'm grilling these, cooking those. Yeah, so let's get into the cooking. I just remember that I have to make overnight oatmeal for tomorrow.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see. You're close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I will stay here forever.
So oatmeal is done. I'm just gonna close it and put it in the fridge for tomorrow. It's my breakfast tomorrow. So Zambi started making these vanilla flavored sour milk It's the one that I have been using of late. It's lovely. So I'm just gonna close this and then put it in the fridge. Next, I'm gonna be doing my chicken. So I'm just going to boil these because I feel like they are so watery. If I grill them, they might. So I'm just going to boil them a bit. Yeah, we put our chicken in there, and then next with the mushrooms, I'm cooking both of these, and then I'm going to steam these. I'm steaming the green vegetables. All these do not have any use. And then I don't know what I should do to these. I was thinking maybe I grill them like when the chicken is almost ready. I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Like I'm just gonna throw it in the oven when the chicken is almost ready, together with the onions. So yeah, let me put these to boil, then I do the rice and the mushrooms. So my water is hot for the pumpkins. Isn't that enough? I don't want them to like overcook. I think that's enough. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just throw them in. Yeah. I'm not going to cover. I'm supposed to be seeing what's going on. This is for my mushrooms. I'm just gonna saute them in a small pot. Let's check. Okay, I think the chicken has started baking. Yeah. This is the rice that I'm gonna boil. I don't think I'm gonna put vegetables because I have enough of vegetables. Anyway, let me see if I can fry it. Yeah. I just wanted to go with that. I do not have beetroots, so I'm just gonna cook it the way everyone cooks the rice. This is for the mushrooms. Let's add some salt. That's a lot of salt. And then also add a little bit in here. Yeah. So I have removed my chicken after I don't know how many minutes. I just want to squeeze in a lemon, and then I'll put it back. Put it back! So back it goes! And here's my sauce for the mushrooms. The pumpkins are turning up very well.
That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be honest together.
Pumpkins are done. Done. We have to cool them now. I'm just gonna put them in where? Here. So they can cool. I know they're going to break. Anyway, I'm the one who's gonna eat this, so yeah, I feel like I have overboiled them. I'm sorry guys. I am like holding the phone, and also I need my 2 hands. Okay, so I'm gonna leave them just here so they can cool. I rinse this. It's the one I'm using for rice. Now it's time for rice. So I've put in some cooking oil. I'm going to add some salt to taste. There's green pepper and carrots here. I forgot to cut onions. So here's the rice. I'm just gonna wash it and throw it in there. I had to cut onions, guys. Like, no way. I need it. Oh nana, oh nana, heaven is the good. I'm gonna try a bit also, then put water. I just want white rice this time. Next, we are going to steam our green beans and onions and what? Carrots. Yeah, so I got some, the ones I was using to prepare the rice. So I'm gonna, this is how I do my steaming of vegetables. I use my coriander, a big one, a medium one, not a big one, and then I use a big pot to boil hot water, then I put my coriander and I put my vegetables, then I'll keep on turning till they are green and crunchy. Yeah, I don't know how you're supposed to know that they're crunchy, but you have to know somehow. So let's do it. So I was laughed at to say every time I have to include carrots. By the way, green beans is my favorite vegetable. Green beans. So I'm just gonna steam green beans alone because she laughed at me. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I'll just wait for the water here to boil, and then I'm gonna be using this. Oh, I'm so sorry, it's so messy, but at least it's clean. Like there are things all over. So these are the green beans I'm gonna be steaming. Then yeah. So the water has started boiling. I'm just going to get my coriander and just put it there. So what I'm going to do now is just saute the green beans in the batter. I'm just going to saute the green beans in the batter, and then I'm gonna wash my hands as well. And then I just add some salt, because when steaming, I don't know when I'm supposed to like add salt. That's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So this is the batter that I use for cooking. You guys have seen it. So I'm just gonna, that was the last cube, but thank God we bought some more. So I love this pan, guys, but look what it does. So this is sauteed batter. I'm just gonna like let that butter, like a small one, just melt. Next we're gonna be adding some salt to taste. Okay, done. So like they are ready. You guys can see. So I'm just gonna like put back on the fire. I'm continuing to stir to turn the green beans because I do not want it to like change color. All right. I think that's so. Let me see. Let me taste. Perfecto. We're just gonna set it aside so it can cool. I'm only remaining of one last thing. Do you guys know what it is? One last thing. Please. So I'm just going to like throw my chicken is ready, but I'll just throw it in there. It will use the same oil that's in the bacon tray or pan. So there is my chicken. Let me just put it like that so that the cabbage can be here. It should just grill a bit. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna like push it in. Just let me increase the heat. I'll just bake them for like I'll grill them for like how many minutes? Maybe 10 minutes. So let me just tie it up because that's the last thing there, and then we'll pack. Then that'll be it. Yeah, unless there's something that I have forgotten. No, man. Just one thing. So I'm going to remove my chicken from the oven so that I can cut it, and then it should cool down because we can't pack it hot.
I think the strategy that you are using is not working. I would rather you change the style of approach.
Never, Mr. Ngoso, never ever try.
So I have put rice, pumpkin, mushrooms, rice, pumpkin, mushrooms, rice, pumpkin, mushroom, rice, pumpkin, mushroom. Next, I am going to throw in this Mr. Man. So I have put in cabbage. Guys, this one. Next is green beans. So I am done. How is it looking like? I know it looks amazing. Yeah. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't know. At least when you do this, you can keep it for even 7 days. How does it look? Amazing, right? Yeah. It took me 1 hour to prepare this. 1.5 hours. So there it goes in the fridge. Ladies and men, there's space first of all. Let's see. Okay, maybe I can put one here. This should go this side. And the mayo, the mayo is here. This is my breakfast tomorrow. So let's see if it's... Oh! Look! A grasshopper! Okay. The grasshopper. Looks good here. Eat your mushrooms. You guys should be eating your mushrooms. Okay, let me do this. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, this one goes here. Sorted for this whole week. Maybe Saturday or Sunday inclusive. So let me know how you guys do your meal preps. Now it's time to go and wash these. Let me know how you guys do your meal preps. Maybe I can also copy from you. So I hate waking up early in the morning to do this food thing. Like, I fail to wake up early in the morning. So what I usually do is I do this on a Sunday. If not on a Sunday, I have to wake up early in the morning to prepare lunch because I can't manage buying lunch every day. So yeah, I think so. Tomorrow I'm gonna carry oatmeal for breakfast. Then I'm gonna pack a snack. That puree, fruit puree, like baby food. And then on Tuesday, I'm gonna make a smoothie. I already bought yogurt. On Thursday, sorry. And then on Friday, I'm gonna make a smoothie again. So, and curry, that same food. Let me know how you make your own food at your own house. So, if you want any other video, I did this video for a lady called, is it Margaret or something? I'm so sorry, I forgot to take down your name so that, yeah. So I did this video because you commented on my Instagram that you want to see how I make my lunch and how I manage. So I hope this video has answered your question. And if any of you guys have got any question, please don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'm gonna respond. I'll be more than happy to help. So I think for me it's bye. I have to like go bath now and eat dinner. Look, I just took off my dress and started cooking, and I also have to wash these. So I am going to see you guys in my next video. Remember to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and leave a sweet comment so that I can be happy. I'm gonna see you in my next one.